If you're applying for a Bahrain visa, here's a quick checklist of the main documents you need. First, you must have a valid passport. It should be in good condition, valid for at least 6 months from the date you enter Bahrain, with at least 2 blank pages. You'll also upload a clear scan of the bio page. Next, prepare your hotel booking in Bahrain, or a copy of your friends' or relatives' Bahrain ID or passport if you'll stay with them. You also need a confirmed onward or return flight ticket. If you are not traveling by air, you must provide a signed request letter with your stay dates, how you will leave Bahrain, and your next destination. Depending on your case, you may need a GCC residence permit or sticker visa, a 3-month stamped bank statement showing enough funds, and, for some applicants, police clearance and health insurance. For minors, extra documents apply, such as a birth certificate, parental consent letter, guardianship details, and supporting documents from parents or guardians. Finally, complete the online eVisa form, upload your documents, pay the non-refundable visa fee, and wait for your application to be processed. Your approved Bahrain eVisa will be sent to you by email, printed and carry it when you travel.